Hello everyone, myself Mona Devan. Today I'm here for Tubby Craft to share with you an inspiration I created using newly released birthday kit by Tubby Craft. So for this I'll be using an old shopping bag and I'll be scoring it using chocolate box as a template. And whatever the size of the chocolate, you take that chocolate and score according to the size of the chocolate. There's no fixed dimension you have to take. Just measure the chocolate and score it according to the dimension of the chocolate. Now I'll be giving some finishing to the edges of the box by using zigzag scissors. Now I'll be joining the center of the box using double-sided tape. After this step, I'll be inserting my chocolate inside the box and I will be sewing both the chocolate boxes. As you can see that I'm removing all the extra threads which are hanging, and I have made two similar boxes. So now I'll be decorating them further using the supplies in the kit. Now this stencil is inside the kit, birthday kit, and I will be using texture paste and applying through it to give it some texture to the box base. Now I'll be further decorating this box using the paper pack sweet treats provided in the kit. I have taken a sheet and I'm cutting out tags out of this, and I'll be further decorating it. I'm using all my leftover papers, whatever is left with me. I'm basically using those elements to decorate my chocolate box to create a shabby chic kind of look. I have no particular design in my mind and I'm just randomly cutting my paper in bits and pieces, and I'll be just gluing them the way I find them to be appropriate. I love using my stash, the papers which are left in my craft room. As you can see that I have added this fiber on top of chocolate box. So basically I love upcycling things and using my stash and using my paper bags. Yes, so whatever I have, whatever die cuts I have, I'll be using them. And I'll be using my double-sided tape to adhere them. This is the Tubby Craft stamp cake which I have already colored using my zig markers, and for this second box I'm using the same way to decorate it. I have just fast forwarded the process of making this box. There's nothing much to explain. So now both the boxes are ready, almost ready. So I'll be diluting my white gesso and giving some splatters here and there. I have covered my stamped images using some tissue so that they may not get spoiled. So here are the chocolate boxes. I hope you like my creation.